Good morning, everyone. Hello, how are you? Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lily, and guess what we are doing today? I am going to take you on a brief tour of where I currently live. And you know that I have mentioned that we are moving. So I'm currently in California and I am packing up our little casita. We are currently in an 860 square foot, 2 bedroom, 1 bath bungalow. And we're packing it all up. And can you believe we have so many things? It is overwhelming. But I want to show you that right there is my office space. And I've talked about it and I've mentioned it in the past that I literally have a little corner in the living room where I work. And that right there is the desk where I work and I do all of my real estate business. And then I also create in that corner. When I'm working on big projects, though, I take it from that great corner, which, by the way, has amazing light because of those two windows. And I also have a view to the street. So I can see what's going on outside. But when I'm working on larger projects, let me pan out here. And I'm trying to keep this as steady as possible. This is the dining area, but no one's dining there because it is the landing spot for everything that I am packing into the boxes. But when I'm working on big crafting projects, that's my crafting table. When we're not eating, that is where I am creating. But look at this, you guys. We've been here 10 years and, we have accumulated a lot of stuff, a lot of it. Everything is all over the place because I'm only packing what I truly love. And that was advice given to me by my best friend when I was feeling overwhelmed. I told her that I honestly didn't know where to start. And she said, start with the things that you love. And then it made sense to me. Of course, I'll do that because that's how I organized when I was going through my place and doing the Marie Kondo method that I've been practicing for a couple years now. So let me just show you. What I also want to show you is how I stored a lot of my things here. The reason I'm doing this is when I move, I'd like to take you with me in creating my craft room because I will have a craft room designated specifically for my crafts and of course some work as well. Right now, this is where some of my items were living. And now you can see I've taken everything out. And so there's a landing for all the stuff that I've taken out of drawers and closets. But in these units right here, I kept a lot of my crafting supplies and I've taken everything out. These boxes right here were in the craft closet and I'll show you that closet in just a moment. In this bag right here, I am keeping my cutters, what is it? I'll show you really quick. It is the cutters and the scoring board and my envelope maker. So those things are going in there. I just thought it was perfect for that. And then a lot of the things that were in this unit, I have taken out and boxed up in these boxes. Anything else that remains, I'll be shrink wrapping. There is my shrink wrap. So it's just easier that way. And, this right here that I took out of the closet, let me show you what this is. This is where I keep all of my Project Life cards. And many of you know that I love pocket scrapbooking. And so this is how I have organized all of the pocket scrapbooking cards. And by theme, by color, this is what works for me. I keep the little cards and the big cards. So it's one of my favorite things to do. And so this was in the closet. This was also in the closet, and I'll pan out in just a moment to show you, but I keep a lot of my pens here, gel pens, all of my tags, and then more fun tags right here. Let me show you. Let me pan out really quick. I know I don't want to make you dizzy. Let me show you. 860 square feet. Oh, I've got so much packing to do, you guys. I'm taking things out of this closet right here. That is my craft closet. And it is a walk-in coat closet. Tons of great space, but this is where I kept all of my craft supplies. All of them. These shelves right here held the 12 by 12 craft keepers stacked high. So you could see all of that right here. Those boxes in the back right here keep my dies and my embossing folders. These right here keep my Groove Book photos. So you could see these. I subscribe to Groove Book for a long time. So this is where I take my pictures for my scrapbooking, or yeah, for all of my scrapbooking. So that's what these two hold. And then these units right here that I've had for a very long time hold all of my 12 by 12 paper, and they're all organized by color and by designer. These, that one, but that one at the end over there is holding all of my punches. And then in here, I've had this unit for a long time. I don't know where I got it, but it held all of my stamps. You know, they just fit so perfect in here. And, you know, I put them here. And then when I needed a certain stamp, the ones that come in like the Stampin' Up! Cases, even others, the Tim Holtz, everything that has like packaging, they just fit perfect right here in like card files. And I would just thumb through, and everything was neatly organized. So I had them all by category, butterflies, you know, background stamps. So whatever theme it was. And so I try to keep all of those combined. That system worked well for me. So I will be taking this down and taking it with me to the new house. I'm not sure how I'm going to organize in the new house, but I'll deal with that when I get there. That back unit we bought from a closeout store, and that was just one of their displays. And so I purchased that, and that held a lot of my bigger items in there, but it worked perfectly. So I'll be taking that down too. I won't be taking this shelving with me, but these two over here I am. But yeah, this closet, if it weren't for this closet, you guys, we just wouldn't fit here at all. And, you know, that is very spacious. And I'm, was fortunate to be able to store all of my things in there. But yeah, I talk a lot about how you can create in a little corner, and you really can. I mean, it's awesome for those of you that have your very own craft rooms. My sister does, my best friend does. And it is amazing, the rooms that they have with all of their goodies. But it's also okay to have a little crafting corner, or even a little space on your dining table, the way I had it. And then just find little areas, to organize and keep your things. I'm thinking that once I arrive at my new home, it'll be fun for me to have you with me as I reorganize my crafting space. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, what I'm keeping, what I'll be using, but we'll start from zero. And I think that would be a fun little series to do. Right now, I still have so much packing, and it is a little bit overwhelming, but I'm just doing one box at a time. And so I'm hoping to be done in the next few days. So many things, you guys, that we have accumulated in the 10 years that we have been living here. It has been a lot of fun. Here is a box. I just noticed that I'm trying to take things out of here so that I can put the lid back on it. But this is where I have all of my art supplies, watercolors, Tim Holtz Distress crayons, Jane Davenport coloring pencils. So I need to take things out of here to put the lid on it. More coloring pencils, gel pens, and pencils, chalks, watercolors. So I need to make sure this is flat so I can cover it. So that is what I'm doing, putting things in the boxes, and I'm going to get back to work. I just wanted to show you, oh my gosh, what it looks like to move. Look at all the stuff I still have to put away. Thanks for joining me, you guys. I appreciate you being here, and let's get to work. I need some help. But we're in quarantine, so I have to do it by myself. That's okay. I'm managing. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys take care, and I will talk to you later. Bye.